Dry gear, fresh feet with the upgraded boot dryer with Ozone Deodorizer. The ultimate solution for dry and fresh boots. Say goodbye to damp and smelly boots with the upgraded boot dryer with Ozone Deodorizer. This fast-drying and compact shoe dryer is perfect for work boots, sneakers, gloves, and more. Dry 2 pairs of boots at once with strong heated air circulation and adjustable tube design. The Ozone Deodorizer helps reduce odor and moisture, keeping your gear fresh and clean. This durable and easy-to-use dryer is made for heavy-duty use and is safe for various materials, including rubber, neoprene, and microfiber. Plus, it comes with a customizable timer function for precise drying cycles. Perfect for athletes, outdoor enthusiasts, and workers who need dry gear fast. Get the upgraded boot dryer with Ozone Deodorizer and keep your boots and gear fresh and ready to go. Order now and experience the convenience of fast-drying and odor-free boots. Don't let damp boots slow you down. Get the upgraded boot dryer with Ozone Deodorizer today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and updates.